We wanted a good peanut butter cookie, and Michael ran across this ultimate peanut butter cookie, so we're going to make it tonight. Even though it's late in the evening, it's almost 8 o'clock, we're going to start making cookies. Here I have 1 cup of butterscotch morsels. And to that, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of creamy peanut butter. We're going to put this in the microwave, melt it together until it's nice and smooth. And we're going to start out at 30-second intervals. Okay, we have done 30-minute or 30 seconds 3 times, stirring in between each one. And as you can see, that is nice and smooth. We're now going to put this into the refrigerator for 15 minutes. Okay, our time is up. We've taken this out of the refrigerator, and that is pretty hard. I'm just gonna dip my teaspoon in there, get about 1/2 teaspoon, put on a cookie sheet that I have some parchment paper, and we're gonna make anywhere from 20 to 21. And then these will go back into the refrigerator while we fix the cookie dough. Okay, while our little round balls, we've rolled our filling into little round balls and put it back in the refrigerator to keep them cold while we make the other part of the cookie. And here I have 1 stick of softened butter. And to that, I'm going to add 1 cup of, 1 cup of brown sugar and 1 cup of peanut butter. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 egg. And I'm going to take my hand mixer and I'm going to mix that up. Okay. When you see that the butter and everything is mixed up nice and smooth, now we're going to start on our dry ingredients. I have here 1 2/3 cup of plain flour, and to that I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. One 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And I'm just going to mix that up. And I'm going to gradually add it now to my peanut butter mixture. Okay. Now your mixture is going to be very thick because we're going to roll this into balls, and in order for it to hold its shape, it's going to have to be thick. You can see that as you work with it, it's pliable, very pliable. Okay, you can take a big spoon and just any flour that might be on the side, work that back down into your dough. Okay, now what we want is approximately 2 tablespoonfuls of the peanut butter mixture. That's probably about that much. You're going to pat it out You're going to take one of your little balls that you made, put your peanut butter mixture around it, roll it into a ball. Okay, and I'm going to take that ball, roll it in just plain sugar, put it on a cookie sheet that has a parchment paper. Now this is going to make a fairly large cookie, so you want to give it room. And I'm just going to press that down, not a lot. As you see, I didn't press that down a whole lot. Now we're going to do the rest. Okay, now we made the little cross hatches on top of each cookie, but as you can see that they're raised up pretty high. Do not press them down, just leave them like this. We're going to put them into a 350-degree oven, and we're going to let them bake anywhere from 9 to 12 minutes. Okay, our first batch of cookies is finished. You can tell they're a light color, they're soft, but they're beginning to crack. We're going to let them sit here for 5 minutes on this sheet while I start the other ones. After 5 minutes, then we will remove these from the pan onto just the wire rack. Okay, we're going to transfer these over onto that shelf, but first I want to open one up. Look at that gooey inside. That one looks like it needs to be ate right now. Thank you for watching.